Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we will explore how to create business infographic detail using Smart Sharpen in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a business infographic. I pause because infographics live on clarity. I duplicate the layer immediately. I open Smart Sharpen and focus on icons and lines. I slowly increase the amount and stop often. I adjust radius to enhance details without creating harsh edges. I zoom in on small symbols and text. I reduce noise because clean visuals build credibility in business communication. I pause and compare before and after. The infographic now feels sharper and easier to understand. I zoom out and feel the flow of information improve. Smart Sharpen here helps the